Hello, Saskatchewan. If you are curious about the licensing process for real estate, then we're here to walk you through that.
Melanie, let's take them through the licensing requirements in Saskatchewan.
Okay, so the first thing you need to be concerned with is your birth date, because you must be 18 years or older in order to apply for your license.
No infants?
No babies doing contracts in Saskatchewan, unfortunately. The second requirement is your English language requirement. So you've got to have a base level of English, and you're super lucky in Saskatchewan, you get to submit your high school diploma to meet that requirement. Now, if you don't have a high school diploma from a Canadian school, you have some other options. You can use a technical institute degree or diploma, a bachelor's degree, and of course, anything higher than that, master's or doctorate.
As long as it's been done in English, because we're trying to satisfy the English requirement here. And if you don't fit in any of those two categories, then the next step will be for you to take your CELPIP general test. It's a very basic test. We have a separate video just on that subject, right? So don't panic, don't worry. And you can take that test while you're studying for your exams, right? It doesn't have to be done up front. So just know that we have a separate video, you can watch that.
Right. And then there is one last option. Not a lot of people are going to fall into this category, but we should mention it anyway. If you were licensed as a real estate licensee and you've just been on license for less than 2 years, then you can submit that previous license as the way to meet that requirement as well.
Good to know.
Yeah.
Okay, next one is your status. If you are the Canadian citizen, then you have no problem applying for your license, right? So it's good for you. If you are a permanent resident, it's all good. Or if you're not from this country, but you have your open work permit visa, then you allowed to take this course. It has to be an open work permit.
Yeah, because that allows you to do any kind of work, not in a particular sector.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Next requirement will be your criminal record check, right? It's a
fingerprint.
They want to make sure that you haven't killed anyone or you haven't done a crazy or major things, right? In order for you to get licensed. I mean, we are the real estate agents in here. We are supposed to be
integrity, honesty,
high standards, honesty, right? So you will have to take that criminal record check after you pass all your exams and before getting the license. But if you're not sure if that will stop you, if you've done something, the best way for you to call your boss.
The Saskatchewan Real Estate Commission.
Commission is your boss. And that's where you want to talk and ask all the questions and say, hey, would that stop me? And they probably will give you the answers. Not us.
No.
That's it for the requirements.
That's it for the requirements.